Hi, I want to show you how to find the default password for a Jio Mi-Fi. Step 1. Open the Mi-Fi and you should be able to find the password located here. And there's no next step after that. Well, if you're still here, it means your Mi-Fi doesn't have that sticker because it was peeled off for any reason by the previous owner of the Mi-Fi. So let's go to alternative 2. Step 1. Reset the Mi-Fi. If the SSID or Wi-Fi name is still the previous owner's, to reset it, we are going to press this hidden button right here for 10 seconds. Then the Mi-Fi will switch on. Now you should be seeing this in your Wi-Fi list on your phone or PC or tab. Tap on it or click on it and now type Jio-Fi followed by the characters after the word Jio Mi-Fi _ like this on the Mi-Fi's SSID or Wi-Fi name. Then connect and you should be connected to your Jio Mi-Fi. You're welcome and please subscribe to the channel.